If Lugia powers awaken, it's over. I tell you why. First, let's look at Devil Fruit awakenings we've seen so far. For Paramisha, the first awakening we saw was Doflamingo and Dressrosa, and later on followed by Lo, Kid, and Katakuri. Similarly, Zoan users have different categories: ancient, mythical, and artificial, and all can awaken too. So naturally, the question becomes, what could Lugia users gain from awakening? Many people believe that awakened Lugia users allow full control over the environment. For example, kusa ni Kainu. After their fight on Pangkasar, the island's climate permanently became ice and fire. But what if there's more? What if Lugia Awakening can also give life to its element? You see, at Marineford War, Kusan unleashed Ice Peasant Attack, a massive freezing bird that moved as if it were alive. Then Akaino created massive lava dogs, and recently you see Kizaru form living light clones while fighting Gear 5 Luffy, like they had their own life. So picture this, a fully awakened Lugia user. You can summon elemental creatures and control the entire climate around you. That's not just power up, that's god level.